So I want to show you how to use the select tool to make it a lot faster and easier to make a game in Sploder. So here's the select tool. So I want to make some ground right here. So instead of going up here and searching for the type of ground that I want the same type of ground. So I will press that select tool, press the ground, and then in this tray, it changes over to the ground, where before it was that gold coin. So now it's on that brush, so now I get to brush out some more ground like this. Now, if I want to add some gold coins, instead of coming here and trying to find the gold coins, or maybe going down here to select something like like this, if this was already here, I would choose that select tool, click on that gold coin, and once I do that, the gold coin is in that tray. Then I can add some gold coins. So that's how to use that edit tool or that select tool to quickly put something in your tray so that you can make a game faster.